Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-Step. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can backtest on the MetaTrader 5. First of all, to backtest, just download the MetaTrader 5 app on your Android smartphone, and after it's been downloaded, open the MetaTrader 5, making sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. And now after you open the MetaTrader 5 for the first time, it will tell you to register to a demo account. Just click on register and you'll be registered to the demo account. And now after that, you are able to go on to trades and practice the strategy on the crypto world. And here you can see that if you go on to trades, and on the top right side of the screen, you can buy and sell crypto or any other coins of your choice. And after that, you can just click on done and go on to charts and also see its candles. And that's how you can backtest on MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.